Good morning, students. Today we will study about the first chapter of the geography, India size and location. Basically, we discussed about the Indian states, its neighboring countries, and union territories. Today we have to discuss the location of the India in world map. As you are seeing, this is the world map, and also see there is the one center line. This line, this is the known as the equator. The equator divides the world into two equal parts. There is the equator line. Okay, this is known as the 0 degree latitude. Known as 0 degree latitude. Okay, it divides the world into two equal parts either horizontally. The upper part is known as the northern hemisphere and the lower part is known as the southern hemisphere. Okay, then the vertically it also divides two equal parts. Vertically it also divides the two equal parts. Okay, this is the vertical parts. It also divides the two equal parts. It is known as the this center line known as the 0 degree longitude. I like this is our globe. So try to see here. This is our globe. Okay, suppose it is our center line horizontally, known as the equator 0 degree latitude. Okay, and vertically it also divided into two equal parts, known as the 0 degree longitude. So the lower part of the equator is known as the southern hemisphere and the upper part is known as the northern hemisphere. While in vertical way, the right side is known as the eastern hemisphere and the left side known as the western hemisphere. So we have to know the upper part. So this angle is known as the northeast hemisphere. This is known as the northwest. What we will see here? Southwest, and here is the southeast. So we have to know the location of India in the world map. See here. This is the India above the equator line. This is the 0 degree. Okay, so equator line. So maybe here is the location of India. Maybe here. Okay, this is there. So India is located in the northeast hemisphere. You can say northeastern part of the world. Then okay, this is the location of the India in world map. Then we have to know the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. Latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. Okay, so latitudes, as you know, this is the also map. Sorry, it is the globe. The globe. So this is the vertical line. This is the horizontal line. It is equator, or it is the GMT or longitudinal line. Okay, it shows the north and south poles. It shows the east and west part. Okay. So here is the latitudinal extent of India. Okay, these are the parallel lines are known as the latitudes. These all are known as latitudes, all the parallel lines. Okay, and some of the semicircular lines along the side of the GMT. These all the semicircular lines are known as the longitudes. These all are known as the longitudes. So all the longitudes meets with north to south poles, and the latitudes never meet to each other because they are all the parallels. Okay, then there is the location of the India in the world map and latitude and longitude. So see in the next map, here is the longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India. This is the India map, and here is the east. East is the here, right side of it is the east, and left side is the west, and upper part here is the north, this is the south. Okay, so we have to know the what is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. Here is, so it is the as the latitudes, here is the 8 degree 4 inches, sorry, 8 degree 4 feet, 8 degree 4 feet. Okay, and it is in the 8 degree 4 feet, and here is the 37 degree 6 feet. Okay, both are in the northern part, northern hemisphere. Okay, that's why it's known as the 8 degree 4 feet to 37 degree 6 feet north latitudes. And the longitudes, here is the starting, here is the longitude of the 68 is the longitude, 68 degree 7 feet. Okay, and here is the 97 degree, this is the longitude, easternmost longitude, 97 degree 25 feet. Okay, so this is the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent, and these are the once again latitudinal extent. This is the latitude, southernmost latitude 8 degree 4 feet, northernmost latitude 37 degree 6 feet. Longitudes are the, sorry, westernmost longitude 68 degree 7 feet, easternmost longitude 97 degree, then 25 feet. These are the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of the India. Then we have to know the north to south. What is the north to south length? Okay, suppose this is the line, this is the one line we have to draw. What is the length between north to south of the India? This is the length of the 3214 kilometer, and east to west length, this is the 2933 kilometer, 2933 kilometer. So east to west length of the India 2933 kilometer, and north to south length is the 3214 kilometer. Is it clear? Okay. Now we have to know the India is one of the largest country of the world in reference of the population as well as the size. So there are 6 countries larger than the India. So these are the countries are known as the 6 countries. So largest country is known as the Russia. After that, Canada, then USA. After USA, China, Brazil, Australia, then India. So India is bigger than the India. Some of the countries which are bigger than the India in size. India in size, you can say. India in size. So India size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. India is the 7th country. So right here India. So bigger than the India. The countries bigger than the India. So which are the countries? Firstly, Russia. Then Canada, then USA, China, Brazil, Australia. Okay. Russia is situated where it is? It is in Eurasia continent, Europe plus Asia, Eurasia. Canada in the North America. Canada and USA both are in North America. China in Asia continent. Brazil, South America continent. Australia continent. Okay. So these are the countries bigger than the India in terms of the size. So let us know the size of these countries. Firstly, there is the Russia. India is in Asia continent. Okay. So the size of the Russia is 17.07 million square kilometer. Okay. Then the Canada is the 9.97 kilometer. Sorry, 9.97 million square kilometer area. Then USA 9.80. USA 9.80 million square kilometer area. Then China 9.59 million square kilometer area. And Brazil 8.54 Brazil million square kilometer area. Australia 7.68. Australia is the 7.68 million square kilometer area. Now, what is the area of India? So, guess it. Think. Okay, I think you are right. 3.28 million square kilometer area is the area of the India. So, see here, the Russia is spread over 17.07 million square kilometer area. So it is the almost 5 times larger than the India. And Canada, USA and China almost 3 times larger than the India. While India is the second largest country in reference of the population. So this is the question for you. Which is the country is the largest in reference of the population? Okay, there is the India's size and location, and we have some of the other terms like the IST. IST is also divides India vertically to equal parts. Here is the IST. Basically, it is taken from the central line or central part. Nowadays in Mirzapur, UP. Yes, near the Allahabad. Okay, this is the central line which divides India vertically into two equal parts. Okay, see, so this is the value of the IST is 82.5 degree east. 82.5 degree east. It is the average of the eastern and western longitude of the India. Eastern and western, this is the 68 and this is the 97. While we will join these two and divide with 2, its average is the 82.5 degree east. This is the IST of the Indian Standard Time. So due to the Indian Standard Time, we can receive the single time zones for the India. Okay. So yesterday we also discussed about in our previous lecture. So neighboring countries of India and different types of the states like the coastal states and national boundary states, international boundary states. Okay, so this is the chapter 1. So some of the questions for you. Which is the largest country of the world in reference of the area? And name the countries which are larger than the India in terms of the size. What is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the India? With the more question, why 82.5 degree east longitude is considered as IST of India? Okay, thanks for today. From the next lecture, we'll start the new chapter.